Well, good morning. We're in the middle of a winter storm watch here in Washington, and Alan's out busy working on the shuttle bus. It's kind of pretty out today. Here, let me give you a shot behind me. And we'll go out and see what Alan and Rocky are up to. Good morning, Rocky. Are you helping Daddy? Well, good morning, dear. What you up to?
Putting down insulation in the snowstorm. Just cutting it to size. So it comes in the 4x8 sheet. And what I did is, see, this is a 4-foot sheet. And you always try to stagger your seams. So we're going to have plywood on top of this. So I cut 6 inches off of this one so our seam won't go on top of this seam. So this same board here, I'll cut 6 inches off. Because see, that way the plywood seam may end up here, not back there. Some people say it don't make a difference, but if you've been a contractor for 40 years, it does make a difference, and you just stagger seams. And just like this sheet here, I laid from that wall 4 foot this way. When I do the plywood, I'll lay from this wall 4 foot this way, because there's about a 4-inch overlap. So the seam down the center will still be offset too. So you just try to offset your seams. It's just a matter of a little bit of support. This stuff is pretty dense. I've been walking on it all morning, all yesterday. And it don't leave no marks because it's made to go under concrete. And some people say you don't need to insulate your floor. You know, if you got the height, you need to do it, because so we had like 9 degrees at night, and I think I was out here, it was 15 degrees yesterday. And when I was laying on this, it was pretty darn cold. And when I rolled over to this and laid on this doing marks, you could actually feel your body heat. So there is a difference. So if you got the money, got the ceiling height, I guess it'd be a big thing too. Just put it down, and anything would be better than nothing. If you didn't have 1 inch, you could go 1/2 inch. So it's not saying you have to go 1 inch, because it comes in 1/2, 3/4, and 1. So if you got the room, do it.
This is our koi pond in the backyard. Freezes over in the winter time, but it sure is pretty in the summer. There's a waterfall that flows from there, and we're in the process of constructing a waterfall coming down that side. And the koi just kind of rest for the winter. They go dormant and get more active as the water temperatures rise back up to close to 45 degrees. And so right now they're just sleeping. And this is our little turtle tank. It's houses 3 turtles that are going to be going into the front pond next year. And they're hiding out underneath the log. And they just kind of rest for the winter as well. Hope you enjoyed today's update. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next upload.